Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Ninja Foodi Sloppy Joes that use the pressure cooker function of the Ninja Foodi. So you can do these in an Instant Pot as well, whichever one will work exactly the same. So let's get started. First you're going to need a pound of ground beef, 2 stalks of celery chopped, a third a cup yellow onion, and a third a cup of green pepper. Both of those are going to be chopped. You'll want to chop the vegetables finely as well. You'll also need half a cup of water, a fourth a cup of ketchup, a fourth cup barbecue sauce, and 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Along with these ingredients, you will also need a tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then you can also use about a half tablespoon of cornstarch, which is optional just to thicken it up a bit, salt and pepper to taste, and then we usually serve it on hamburger buns. So you can do that as well, or you can also serve this in stuffed in baked potatoes too. So the first thing you're going to do in the pot of the Ninja Foodi, you're going to use the saute function on medium-high heat and brown the ground beef. So you can drain this if needed. And then once you get that done, you're going to add in the celery, onions, green pepper, and cook until soft. So right here, I didn't do these as finely as I probably could have. It's totally up to you on how fine you want them. If you don't want them really noticeable in the sloppy joes, you would want to finely dice those. So once that's done, you add in the water, ketchup, barbecue sauce, tomato sauce, brown sugar, dry mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and apple cider vinegar. Then you just stir that really well to combine it in the pot of the Ninja Foodi. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and turn the Ninja Foodi to the pressure cooker function, secure the pressure cooker lid onto the Foodi, and set the nozzle to seal. Once you've got that on seal, you're going to manually cook this on high pressure, so manual high pressure for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, you'll go ahead and let it naturally release for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, move the nozzle to vent, which will release all the steam. And then after that, you can go ahead and remove the lid, add a half a tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken, and just let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, it's going to be ready to serve and nice and thickened. You can serve it right on your hamburger buns, or you can stuff it in baked potatoes, whichever you prefer. It'll be ready to go. We like it on nachos actually too. You can even do it with tater tots, just basically whatever you want to do. So it's going to be ready to eat after those 5 minutes of venting and naturally releasing. So you can see it here. We've got it on our hamburger buns served with chips and pickles. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this easy recipe for Ninja Foodi Sloppy Joes. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next video. And as always, you can find this recipe and many more over on mommyhatescooking.com. Thank you so much for joining in today.